Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Fun Times. October is here, and while the leaves are changing and the air is getting colder, your garden doesn't have to slow down just yet. Today we're going to talk about what you can plant in October to keep your garden producing throughout fall and even into winter. Whether you're looking to grow vegetables, flowers, or cover crops, I got you covered. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get planting. In this video, you will learn about cool season vegetables, root vegetables, cover crops, fall bulbs for spring blooms, herbs to grow indoors, and bonus tips. So if it's October, keep watching. Thanks, guys. The best way to learn how to grow in October is to work in the garden in October. My recommendation is at least try one thing in this video. First up are cold season vegetables, and October is a prime time for planting these hardy crops. If you live in a region where frost hasn't hit hard yet, you can still plant leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and lettuce. These crops thrive in cooler temperatures and are quick to mature, so you'll get a nice harvest before winter really sets in. Kale is another great option as it can tolerate frost and even improve in flavor after a cold snap. The same goes for collard greens and Swiss chard. These are fantastic for adding nutrient-packed greens to your meals during the colder months. October is also a perfect time to plant root vegetables like radishes and turnips. Both grow quickly and can be harvested before winter if you plant them early in the month. Radishes in particular are fast growers, and you can have fresh radishes on your plate in just 30 days. Don't forget about garlic. Plant garlic cloves now, and they'll overwinter in the soil, ready to grow into plump bulbs by next summer. Garlic is a must for any home gardener because it's so easy to grow and it stores well. Next, let's talk about cover crops. These are incredible, useful plants that you can grow during the off-season to improve your soil's health. October is the perfect time to plant cover crops like clover, rye, and vetch. These plants prevent erosion, add nitrogen to the soil, and suppress weeds. You can also grow fava beans and mustard. Cover crops will grow through the fall and then get tilled back in the soil in the spring, creating organic matter that's perfect for your next crop of veggies. It's a great way to keep your soil happy and healthy. October is also a prime time for planting spring flowering bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and crocuses. Planting these now ensure that your garden bursts into color when spring rolls around. You'll want to plant bulbs in a sunny spot with well-drained soil about 2 to 3 times as deep as the bulb's height. Make sure to plant bulbs in clusters for a more natural and vibrant display come spring. After planting, water them well and they'll settle in nicely before winter hits. Now, just because it's getting colder doesn't mean you have to stop growing fresh herbs. October is the perfect time to bring your herb garden indoors. You can plant herbs like basil, mint, and parsley in pots and place them on a sunny windowsill. Herbs are sensitive to frost, but with the right indoor conditions, plenty of sunlight, and a bit of care, they'll thrive all winter long, giving you fresh flowers for your kitchen year-round. October is also the ideal time to plant perennials and shrubs. While it may seem late, cooler temperatures and moist soil help plants establish strong root systems before winter. Consider planting perennials like daylilies, hostas, or cornflowers. For shrubs, you can plant boxwood, hydrangeas, or azaleas. Make sure to water them well after planting and mulch around the base to protect them from the cold. By planting now, the perennials will be ready to put on a spectacular show next spring and summer. While you're planting, don't forget about general garden maintenance this month. Clean up fallen leaves, prune dead branches, and pull out any spent annuals. It's also a great time to add compost to your garden beds and give them a nutrient boost before winter. Applying a layer of mulch will help protect any late plants from frost and give your soil extra insulation for the colder months ahead. If you're looking to extend your growing season even further, consider using a cold frame or row covers. These simple tools can protect your crops from frost and keep the ground warmer for just a bit longer, allowing you to harvest into November or even December. Cold frames are great for leafy greens and other cool season crops, making them a must-have if you're serious about growing food year-round. And there you have it, everything you can plant in October to keep your garden growing strong, from cold season vegetables and spring bulbs to cover crops and perennials. But there's plenty to keep your hands busy this fall. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips. Don't forget to drop a comment below letting me know what you're planting this October. Thanks for watching and happy gardening, because gardening is fun when you know what you're doing. Comment below what you would like me to do next. Thanks! Bye!